I'm gonna do a bit of video, show the modifications we've done to our fleet. This is our 23 Chevy Silverado 3500. This is Phil, and to start, apparently you can't switch the camera, so we're gonna have to do this kind of blind. All right, in the engine bay, we've installed this silver line. Is a 60 amp sub panel feed basically for the auxiliary upfitter switches that required installing this fuse here for the 60, 200 amp for the snowplow stuff that we're never going to use here. That required punching through the firewall back there. I think I can see it. Yeah. And then came through under the dash here. I'm not going to go all the way up, but this is the fuse panel that it adds. You know, it's some fuses and relays. And these 5 factory switches. Sorry. Yeah, 5 factory switches that came with this model. The number 1 switch right now feeds this 90-gallon tank. And just to demonstrate, we're going to flip this safety valve on, and we're going to hit switch 1. Oh, wait. I have to see, this is, I got this temp, I got to do the final wiring. We got a jumper cable basically. Shut that off. Go under here. Grab that blue guy. Now, so I got that performance pump off Amazon. Splice it into the fuel there. She is pumping. I don't know if you can see it, but you can hear it. Certain lighting you can see it, but definitely hear it, I hope. And then the other quick mods we did. Installed mud flaps. In the bed storage, we got the extinguisher, safety triangles. Storage box for some other stuff, first aid kit, and the mud flaps. And that's it.